बच्चे ने कोई नहीं स्टैंडिंग दोनों मान लग रहे एक ही नहीं एक ही है एकदम वो वेटिंग में है तो मालूम पड़ता है ना तो पार्टिसिपेंट में मैं अकेले ही लिख रहा हूँ ना You become regular and he has become irregular. Why is it so? Right. Final last में रहता है. Last period. दिवाली हॉलीडे. दिवाली हॉलीडे. साइन कर पट से मैं अपना स्पेक्स लेकर आया. ठीक है. Last class we have completed delineation. Completed. Almost. Check. So today we can do the new chapter. This is very best. Who? Yes. He's joining today. Oh, good yeah. Ash, are you in? Your friend is there. We are almost in the process of completing that chapter. Work of a wind. Done? So write the next heading then. We're still in delineation, correct? So that was the last topic, na? Give me the volume. So today we'll finish and start a new chapter. Eshraj, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Who's the new boy? You should introduce.
Sir, ninth ICSE.
Very good. What's you're from which school, man?
Poddar.
Good. Why can't you keep your video on?
I can, sir, keep my video on.
Please, huh? So that I'll see you at least. Who is Eshraj? Oh, good. So today my first lecturer with you?
Yes.
So how is your geography going with studies?
Good.
Good. Okay. You know this guy? He says he's your friend. Say hi to him.
Yes.
Oh, same school is it? Tell you, I'm doing a chapter which is called. What is the chapter? Just put the heading. Pick up a new notebook. You got your volume?
Yes.
Pick up that volume to page number. What is the page number? Work of a river and wind we have finished last class. We are going to start with the next heading. Put the next heading in your notebook. Put the next heading. So we are going to start some heavy chapters now. Right? Atmosphere, hydrosphere. That's it. Big chapters means what? Big marks also will get. If we have done work of a wind, action of a wind, deflation. So put the heading in your notebook, work of a wind. I think we have completed it, right? Okay, so you write down work of a wind. I'm going to give notes on this. So in last class, I have done something called as Balkans. Your teacher might be saying Balkans, is it? This is a shape of a Balkan, which is half moon shape, or we call it as the shape. This is a crescent shape sand dune. Hey, you got your textbook? Oh, you got your textbook. Hey, in your textbook, they have given wonderful pictures of these. Look at. This is what we are going to understand. What is this? Hollows, hollows. What is a hollows? Deflation hollows. Give me a pen. Your pen. When I use the word deflation hollows, Eshraj, is it visible? Deflation hollows are created in the front part of the landform due to the wind action. So only this part has been made. Correct? That is deflation hollows. Then after that we have sand dunes. Generally, sand dunes you might have seen in Rajasthan if you have gone, or if not in the pictures you might have seen. Are you seeing sand dunes? The red color one is moved to the blue colored one, and again the blue colored one more and one more. So we have two sand dunes, A and B, but it has moved from A to A, from this place to this place, and B has also moved from this place to this place. So we always say these are sand dunes. So what are sand dunes? Heaps of loose sand which are the work of a wind, and normally opposite direction में बनेगा with the wind direction में बनेगा. Wind के direction में बनेगा. The next one, we already done this and explained. I've given the diagram also. This is called as Barchan. What is it? Now, what is Barchan? It is a crescent-shaped sand dune. ये wind deposit हुआ है. These are called as horns. What these are called as? So normally the wind has come from here. It has lifted the sand and put on the other side. So that is why this is called as Barchan. Is it okay? So these things we are going to write. And the last one, this picture, never forget. I'll show you like this. Never forget, these are longitudinal sand dunes. अभी पहला अपना sand dune कैसा था? Heaps of sand. अभी ये ऐसा नहीं है. ये भी sand dune ही है, but it's more like your chocolate bar, is it? Chocolate bar है? Eshraj likes chocolate, is it? No idea.
Yes, sir.
Oh, really? Then 3 chocolates are placed, but these are made out of sand. Okay, so look at the wind direction, which is putting on this side, that side, and that side. So these are longitudinal sand dunes, also known by the name seeps. Come on, say. Okay, that's it. What you have to remember. Now we have already written Balkans. Now you write the second heading in your notebook: deflation hollows. Right up. I'm giving notes on that. Deflation hollows. So one we have done, that is Balkan. Second we are doing deflation hollows. No need to draw this picture. I think that will be a nightmare, is it? Or out of 2, who is confident to draw? Yes, मैं बना सकता है. अच्छा, Eshraj, you make diagrams. Lovely.
What, sir?
You make diagrams beautifully.
No, sir.
Acha. Write up deflation hollows and write below. It is the result of attendance sheet. Online में यशराज present है बोल करना एक यशराज. What did I say? It is the result of strong wind. Result acting on the lower land surface. Acting on the lower land surface. Strong wind acting on the lower land surface to create a depression. To create a depression called, to create a depression. Already depression likha hai na. Next sentence, same heading, to create a depression. It involves both lifting and blowing away. Lifting and blowing away. Carefully write that word. It is lifting and blowing away. Of what? Come on. Of loose sand. Can I use the word loose sand? Loose मिलेगा तो कैसा blow करेगा? You see, this is something like this. ये हमारा, I don't know what kind of dimensional you can understand. Is it? ये जो part था which was with sand now, due to the wind, it is picked up and it is blown away. It is picked up, it is blown away. So this is called as which hollow? Deflation hollows. Now third point, you write sand dunes. This third landform, we are doing sand dunes. So you can draw this picture if you want. So this is A and this is B. This is A and right wind directions. Draw this in a notebook. Hollows nahi chahiye. Draw this one. Sand dunes. They are not going to ask you deflation hollows. Sweetie. Yashraj, write down. Sorry, draw that sand dune.
Okay.
Yashraj, please on your video.
After drawing this, write below sand dunes. Complete the right below the sand dunes. These are called hills of sand. Hills, H-I-L-L. Hills of sand basically formed. Hills of sand basically formed due to strong wind action. Basically formed due to strong wind action. Second sentence. Sometimes due to vegetation, due to vegetation. Hyphen fixed sand dunes, fixed. And in its absence, hyphen, what do you need to write? Shifting sand dunes. And in its absence, shifting sand dunes. Yeah, I'll just explain there. I'm going to ask you what is the fixed and shifting. Now, if I show you some plants here, for example, there are some thorny vegetation. You understand cacti, some bushes here. Correct. So, do you think this sand dunes is going to move ahead? No, it will be stopped here. Since the roots will hold the soil. If there is no vegetation, are you seeing no vegetation? What will happen? The sand dunes, if the wind is on one direction strong, ever, and after some more time, what will happen? So, what is the sand dune doing? They are shifting. This kind of signaling is called as what? It is called as fixed sand dune. Shifting. When it doesn't shift, when it have some, come on, vegetation. Correct? Without vegetation, what it will do? It will shift. Who will shift the sand dune? Yashraj bolna. Who will shift the sand dune?
Sir, wind.
Wind. And in the absence of what? In the absence of, come on, say, in the absence of vegetation. Come on, Yashraj.
In the absence of vegetation.
Okay, let us write the last one. You write longitudinal dunes or seeps. There's longitudinal dunes. Isi ka part hai, sub part hai. So you can write A and you can write B also. So this is A and this is B. 3A and 3B. This is called as longitudinal dunes. Now look at the volume or draw the picture. This they might ask you, longitudinal dunes. You have textbook with you? Come on, draw the picture, both of you. I'll give the explanation. Longitudinal dunes. I'm drawing on the left hand side. Look, draw like this something. So these are like this. And draw some picture. That's it. And if you want to make some, these are the sand dunes, also known as seeps. After this today, what are we going to do? Hydrosphere. Look at the textbook and draw. I have done roughly. You take it a little bit more time. And for diagrams in geography this year and both next year also, you'll have good marks, huh? Don't lose marks for diagrams. Once drawn, say yes, then I'll give notes on shifting, longitudinal dunes. Both of you done? Sure? Okay, right below. Give me that picture. Esra, you have done?
Yes, sir.
Write down longitudinal dunes. These are long and narrow sand ridges. I'm writing that. Long and narrow sand ridges. These are long and narrow sand ridges. Careful with the spelling. Ridges means something bars like this. Long and narrow sand ridges, which are parallel in the direction of wind, which are parallel to the direction of the wind. Parallel to the direction of the wind. First one. It is normally found, second point, in the interior parts of desert. It is normally found in the interior parts of desert. Third point, the name sieve. Carefully check the spelling. Did I write the word sieve? S-I-O-O. It is S-E-I-L. The name sieve originates from. The name sieve originates from Arabic word sword in Libyan desert or in Libya. Have you heard about a country called Libya? Oh, you have heard Libya? Yes, Libya. An Arabic word means Libya, means sword in Libya. I'm writing the name of the countries. You write the meaning of the word sword. In which country? Libya. It's an Arabic Muslim country. Change the paragraph. An important feature of this dune are the rise and fall patterns. The rise and fall pattern. Full stop. Are the rise and which pattern? Fall pattern. Underline both the word rise and fall. It is also found in next sentence. It is also found in Sahara desert, bracket you write Iran, Thar desert, India. Hey, have you heard about Thar desert? Where it is? That I know. Which part of India? He's saying Rajasthan, is it correct? It does not. Right on. India and West Australia. This chapter is completed. I'll give you a few minutes of time where you have to write that answer, big answer. Then we will start a very interesting chapter called Hydrosphere. Okay. You got your volume, Eshraj?
Yes, sir.
Pick up volume page number 114.
Okay.
There is a question number 5. What are deflation hollows? It is page number 115. Question number is also 5, is it? Come on, check the answer. If it is given in the volume, you write. If not, I'll give it. If it is not given. Check. Both of you check it and let me know. Definitely almost. Okay, last question. Question number 5. Read the question. I'm so sorry. It is deflation hollows. In English movie at that level. Yes, sir. Come on, start writing, both of you. You need my help, and if not, we get into hydrosphere. Once you finish, then we are moving. हाँ फिर किधर लिखेगा वॉल्यूम में लिखना है तुझे बैड जोक इट इज क्यों नोटबुक में लिखेगा उधर स्पेस दिया ना यू फाउंड द आंसर सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग ही हैज फाउंड about Eshraj
Finding, sir.
where is which page number 109 he has found it you also get it come on quickly start writing once complete say yes then we'll go ahead Complete. Extra job written. Let us go to the next topic called hydrosphere. Any other question you want me to check out? Write the next setting in your notebook. You have any queries, doubts? तेरा friend को क्या हो गया? Why is he? No one knows. He. Anema, what's happened to him? Come on, put the heading hydrosphere and write a heading meaning. I'm going to give meaning. Put today's date, write it on a new page. You write it in the straight line. I am writing purpose to one will be rivers, streams. You write it in one line. Yes. Found on the Earth's surface. Mass of combined. Oh my God. Then write this also, water cycle. First write down this and write the second one. Hey, write down what is water cycle now. Hey, you guys, both of you observed there was an earthquake behavior in a country called 2-3 days before. Which country it was? You observed? At least guess the color. Japan. Or is it? Taiwan. Taiwan किधर है? Hey, you know where is Taiwan? He's sleeping with the. I asked you to keep your video on. Turn the video on. Come on, write down both of this. Write down. Why did you switch off your video? Keep your video on always. Write down this also. Yes. Okay. Now, who can learn the definition of both and tell me quick? Guys, ready? Shall I ask you? He's ready. Come on, say. The first one is what is hydrosphere? Come on. Okay. Now you say. Yashraj, you say what is this one?
Hydrosphere.
Yeah.
Hydrosphere refers to combining mass of water found on Earth, such as oceans, rivers, streams, lakes.
Okay. Now, when you look at the Earth, what is the first thing you observe? Normally, in geography, we say 97% of the Earth is covered by water. Is it so?
Yes.
Oh, really? 70%. 97 रहेगा तो half का भी है. Out of that also, how much percent is drinking water? Not even 1%, 0.97%. बाकी सब कौन सा water? Ocean water. Can we drink ocean water?
No.
Sea water क्यों नहीं? हाँ ये भाई साहब बोलते पी सकते हैं बट ये इसने पिया नहीं अभी तक क्यों नहीं पिया है they are salty saline so normally what is this hydrosphere look at this hydrosphere it is the combined mass of water found on the earth's surface which are in the form of ocean can we drink can we drink this water can we drink this water can we drink this water only which
Yes,
water
sir.
cannot be drink this is the
Ocean.
So is this definition clear?
Yes, sir.
Normally in geography channel, if you watch the picture, they say Earth is a blue planet. You also accept Earth is a blue planet?
Yes.
Why did I say Earth is a blue planet? He's saying 70% water is there. ऐसा ही है? पक्का? He's saying हर जगह से वीडियो दिखता है. What about you, Eshraj?
Sir, because it's 70% water.
Okay. So when we say when we are inside the earth, it appears the sky is also blue. Is the sky actually blue?
No.
Then why it is blue? ये बोलता लाइट आती है ये ना ये थोड़ा सा ऐसा कैसे है बोलता है you say Eshraj, why the sky looks blue? It is not actually blue.
Because of ozone layer.
Very good. Ozone layer sky में है क्या sky के ऊपर है क्या करता है तू
काय के ऊपर.
हाँ तो फिर ओजोन के जैसे ब्लू कैसे दिखेगा it reflects the surface of the water अभी समझा
हाँ.
क्या हाँ बोल
वाटर जो होता है वो किससे वाटर पहले से
तो ब्लू नहीं होता when we are looking the clean water from a long distance how it looks blue in color हाँ तो अभी रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है तो where the sky is very close to the water sky or water ऐसा है so miles away so next time when somebody asks you why it appears blue it is the reflection of the water over the sky clear now let us go to the word water cycle come on it is the movement of the water around over through the earth is called water cycle now let's start with again Himuni come on without saying through okay over
the earth
okay you say come on Eshraj
Sir, what's the question?
what is this water cycle
Sir, the movement of water around over through Earth's.
now how do you
Water.
explain water cycle when I show you a simple diagram the diagram goes like this say this is a pond huh? I said this is during daytime what is happening
Evaporation.
very good evaporation is in the presence of whom
Sun.
okay during the daytime and when it evaporates after sometimes it forms into clouds
Cloud.
and that same clouds passes to a different area and what is happening evaporation का exact opposite होता है it is called as condensation correct है
हाँ.
इसको हम लोग evaporation बोलेंगे now once condensation is complete the water droplet cannot retain up it will be falling in the form of
Rain.
rainfall and this rainwater again through the stream goes back to the lake अभी समझ में आया the water evaporated it goes to the atmosphere forms clouds and that same clouds when it condensation rains and it gets into lakes ponds rivers etc so ये जो cycle है इसको हम लोग कौन सा cycle बोलते हैं will you able to draw the picture of water cycle
Water cycle.
come on draw the
Yes.
picture I'm reflecting a picture in the screen they are not given in the text pick up a pencil I'm showing a simple water cycle okay just give me 1 minute pick up your pencils eraser meantime I'm sharing the picture. Come on, draw this. Are you able to see? Let's zoom it.
Yes, sir.
नहीं zoom होता है यार. बस इतना ही करना. Water cycle, easy water cycle diagram होनी चाहिए. Just a minute. Is this diagram okay for you?
Yes, sir.
I think you draw this diagram. बड़ा-बड़ा arrow मत बना, छोटा arrow बना. Condensation, precipitation. एक मिनट रुको. अगर ये बनाएगा, percolation तो तू समझेगा. ये यही बना दो. This is easy. Colorful भी है ना? बना बना फटक से. Oh my God. Bless you, bless you. क्या बना? वो पीछे का बैकग्राउंड बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. वो नहीं चाहिए भाई, तुझे सिर्फ इतना ही बनाना है. Don't make this diagram. He is making a mess of the diagram. Only make small water body, say collection, precipitation, condensation, evaporation. बस इतना ही करना है. उतना बड़ा water क्यों बना रहा है? थोड़ा सा बना. Nice, बुद्धू boy. मैं बना. ठीक है. Make a condensation, precipitation, and evaporation. Very important. Complete. Shall I give? Both of you completed the diagram. Right below. Water from the water bodies gets evaporated. Gets evaporated during daytime. Later, which forms rain giving black clouds, rain bearing black clouds, rain bearing black clouds. Rain bearing black clouds. Full stop, second point. After condensation, these clouds, after condensation, these clouds gives rise to rainfall and the excess rainwater is collected into lakes and streams, bringing back the lost water. One more sentence. So it is said that within the water cycle, the water is never lost. Are you hearing my voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Water is never lost. Let's proceed ahead. What is the next heading you have to write? In your textbook, what is the next heading given? Sources of water on earth. We'll write one below the other, then I'll explain. The sources of water on the earth. Right up. Sources of water on the earth. What is the first heading given? Ocean. Second,
Water and land.
over the land surface. Next,
Underground water.
okay, over the land surface. Then underground water.
Water and
Now you tell me, out of this, which one you know? Ocean water you know.
That's water.
इसके नीचे क्या है? Water in atmosphere ना? I'll write water present in atmosphere. Now look at the board. The most important source of water, not drinking water, we are just saying water. Are you getting? It is nothing but what? Okay. Just 1 minute. Let me give the board to. Boy, तुझे board दिख रहा है कि नहीं? You didn't say anything at all. Are you writing, boy?
Yes, sir.
बोर्ड तो मैंने शेयर ही नहीं किया, कैसे लिख रहा था तू?
सर डिक्टेट कर रहे थे ना.
अरे वाह, इंटेलिजेंट है. Let me switch the camera. Just give me 1 minute. Camera switching कैसा होता है? Are you able to see the board now?
Yes, sir.
I have shared the video and then I have to change the camera. Camera in. Actually, you have written already, na? Leave it now. It is going to take a time. Oh, the camera is right here only. Okay. Now this is what we are saying about ocean water. So how many oceans do we have generally? 7. Can you name all the oceans? He's saying Southern Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, and Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean इधर बोल दिया. Yashraj, you say how many oceans? Look at the volume. It is
7 oceans, sir.
What are they? What are they? Come on, quick, good boy.
Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean,
Ah,
Arabian Ocean, Arabian Sea.
it is not ocean. Hey, when I said in the initially 97% of the earth covered by water, it is correct or me?
No.
About 97% of the earth's water supply. अच्छा, earth's water supply. वो ocean से आता है. That is correct. Now, when I talk about the word water on the land, what are all the surface we are having? It is normally the sea. And underground water, एक काम करो. Under ocean water, you write down. Write down small example. Example: Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and others. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean and others. Water on land, you write down sea, ponds and lakes. Underground water, you write wells and tube wells. Wells and tube wells. Underground water. And the last one you write down water vapor present in the atmosphere. So I'll see you in my next lecture. Okay. Please read page number 82 and 83 of your
Okay.
of your textbook. I'll see you in my next lecture. Okay, guys. Chalo. Thank you. You understood today what is happening?
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Thank you and bye bye. Regular.